Go.
Okay, first off, when you start this, you have to write down the problem. This is problem number 1 of 2. The problem is 4 times f of x equals 3x minus 5. To answer the problem, you simplify. In other words, translate. Y equals 3 of x minus 5. Basically switch over x and y and change this into a y. And switch it. Okay. So you change f of x to y. Then when you do that, you change the problem up again and you switch x and y and you get x equals 3y minus 5. And you can't forget to write the trees. You know, trees look really nice. Oh, okay. Now when you get right here, you do x equals 3y minus 5, and you add 5 on both sides. So x is not by itself, and you get x plus 5 equals 3y. Then you divide both sides by 3 to get the y of them, because you're solving for y. And then you get x plus 5 over 3 equals y. To create the solution step, you have to do f of negative 1 x equals x plus 5 over 3. My nice little looking tree right here. Put some clouds on the side. Okay. Here's some thunder. Okay. Problem number 2. Slightly more difficult. But still toughy. You write down problem number 2. You write down the problem f of x equals 1 over x squared. Okay. And I should actually write down the steps for you so it's a lot easier. Step 0. Write down the problem, f of x equals 1 over x squared. Step 1 is y equals 1 over x squared, because you replace f of x with y just to make life a lot easier. Step 2, you do x equals 1 over y squared, because you place x and y. And for step 3, you do x times y squared equals 1 over y squared times y squared to get rid of the y squared. And when you're done, you get x times y squared equals 1. Now divide both sides by x. Cancel this out. And you get square root of y squared equals square root of 1 over x. Nah. He does know he's going to be in Mr. Mac's little movie. Okay. I'll grab a little sun, you know, little heat rays. Okay. Step 6. Okay. Okay, this is step 5, dividing. But, yep. Okay. Now, step 7, last and final step. Okay, second last final step. Do y equals x. Okay, that's plus or minus 1 square root x. Because you always have to get the plus or minus. It's just kind of like a rule. Now, step 8 is f times, okay, f of negative 1 x equals 1 over square root x. And that would be the answer right here. And the last answer would be right here. And just because I love you guys, I'm gonna have to write a nice little picture for Mr. Mac. Okay? What else should I draw? Maybe some trees, some grass, maybe like a little house. Looks like the Allstate house really quickly. A house. Put some like little animals right here. You know, maybe like a little sunset. Put some little clouds. Maybe like little wind clouds. You know. Little trees. Okay, guys, and we're good. This is what I do for you, Mr. Mac, and welcome to Rob Ross's Academy.